Hey guys, for the month of June I will be incorporating color into each of my tutorials. Today I'm going to show you a pattern that creates spirals and diamonds using colored string. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a wall hanging with several sections that hang down from your dowel and are not intended to be knotted together in the front of your work. It's a lot of fun to create a wall hanging this way, as I find that I can just add to it as I see fit and don't necessarily have to plan it out beforehand. Okay, let's get started. For your setup, cut 4 pieces of 3mm peach latte string and 3 pieces of mocha string. Each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel in this sequence: 2 peach latte, 3 mocha, 2 peach latte. Using the 4 cords on the left, tie 24 half square knots to create a spiral. Repeat that process with the 4 cords on the right side of your work. We will create another section in the middle of our work using double half hitch knots to create diamonds. Use the middle left cord as your filler cord and the middle right cord as your working cord and tie a double half hitch knot. Using the same filler cord, tie 2 more double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Using the current middle left cord as your filler cord, tie 2 double half hitch knots working down and to the left. Using the same filler cord, tie 2 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Using the cord on the right as your filler cord, tie 2 double half hitch knots working down and to the left. Use the middle left cord as your filler cord and the middle right cord as your working cord and tie a double half hitch knot. Depending on how long you'd like your wall hanging to be, you can continue to tie medium diamonds like this one until you are near the bottom of your work. Here's how I would finish it off with smaller diamonds. Using the middle right cord as your filler cord, tie 1 double half hitch knot working down and to the right. Using the middle left cord as your filler cord, tie 1 double half hitch knot working down and to the left. Using the same filler cord, tie 1 double half hitch knot working down and to the right. Using the filler cord on the right, tie 1 double half hitch knot working down and to the left. Using the middle left cord as your filler cord and the middle right cord as your working cord, tie 1 more double half hitch knot. Tie 2 more small diamonds using the same method. If you need a little extra help with the small diamond pattern, please see the description for a link. Here are some ideas to add to your piece. Create a few more sections of diamond patterns and spiral knots on the sides of your work. Add in a couple new patterns as you see fit. Stick to 2 colors or add in a few more. Have fun with it and add in a few sections using thicker string. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.